Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another video in my Vlogmas nail Vlogmas series, and I'm doing the super easy Christmas tree nails. And the first thing you want to do is grab your green nail polish, and we're going to paint our nails with that color first. So you want to paint it like you usually would and let it dry completely, because this is very important. Before moving to the next step, you have to have fully dry nails. And also, I know a lot of you ask me what nail polishes are in question when I'm doing my nails, and I always think that you can use any nail polish that has similar color, but I do always try my best to have everything written in the description box below. And now once your nails are dry, you want to apply these little striping tapes. You can get it at any nail supply store. That's a question that I also get a lot. And also then once everything is pressed down nicely, you want to apply nail polish that's kind of glittery nail polish with lots of different colorful glitter. So that's what I did, and just made a little triangle, as you can see, and applied it. And then you want to remove the striping tapes right away. You don't want to wait for your nails to dry. So once you finish applying the glitter, you want to remove the little tapes right away, so you have nice, clear, sharp edges. So that's very important, so do that. And this is a very easy, very simple, very last minute manicure, and I think it's super cute. I don't know what you guys think, let me know in comments section below. And once that is done, you want to apply glossy top coat, and you're all set to go to your Christmas dinner or anywhere you want to go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my other videos that are also Christmas related. I will have my playlist and everything in the description as well. And I will talk with you tomorrow. Bye!